Today, we're going to learn how to make an origami jumping frog. This frog will actually jump when you press on the back of it and flick it, kind of thing. All you need is one sheet of paper for this origami jumping frog. We recommend using paper that is thin and at least 15 by 15 centimeters. Younger kids will find it easier to use bigger paper. So you need a square sheet of paper, and if you don't have any around, I'll show you here how to make one real quick. You're going to use a full sheet of paper. You're going to fold it like that. You're going to cut, get a parent or an adult to help you if you're a child. You're going to cut along here and cut this all off. When you do, you'll end up with a square sheet of paper. But it's best to use something thin, so if you can, find the thinnest paper you can. The thinner it is, the easier it is to fold, apparently, for this one. So let's get into this. First, we fold it just like that, in half. Now, so you got it this way. You fold the right over to the left, okay? Now, you got the top right corner diagonally down and line it with the left. There. Okay. You're going to unfold that. Now you're going to want to do the opposite on the left side. Fold it down to the right, nice and evenly. Just like that. Okay. Unfold that. Now flip the paper over to the other side. Now flip the top down to meet the bottom lower creases. So you want it to line up with the creases. Okay. So now you got it folded like that. Next, we're going to unfold it. Flip the paper back over to the other side. Now bring the top and left right edges forward and down, flattening the paper into a triangle shape. Here, just like this. Just like that. So just like that. Now fold the bottom edge right here. You want to take and fold it right up to the top edge of this. So we're going to take it, fold it going upwards to that top edge. So now, you see, it's even with that top edge. Now we're going to take and fold the right edge over to the middle. You can fold the right side of the top triangle over to the left if you need to. You want to fold the right edge, so fold that over so it's out of the way. And then you're going to take this right edge and you're going to fold it over to the middle. Just use the top line here and the bottom edge here to try and line it up. I know you don't have a crease there, but that's for a reason. You don't want to make one there. Then you want to take and fold this over. So you got one, the first one, how it's supposed to be. Then you want to fold this over because you're going to repeat it on the other side. So you're going to take and fold this over, nice and even, right over to the center. Just like that. And you can fold these back over. Now, we're going to fold the bottom edge again, up to meet up with the top triangle part, again. And this is where the thinner paper comes in really handy, because these folds are getting stiff. So, if you're a child doing this, don't do this with regular printer paper. It's actually quite difficult to get the folds right. Especially because there's still more folds. Now, we're going to take the top corners and we're going to fold them down like this and like this. I'm standing up just to put my weight on it so it folds it properly because it's that stiff. So now we got it looking like this. Okay? Unfold this, and then this. And it should look, and then do just kind of like, yeah, just like that for now. We're going to take it, we're going to bring these outwards, kind of like that, and then you're going to push that up. Then you're going to do the same to the other side. Pull that other side, oh, hold down the top, pull the other side out, and you want it just to line up. You want it to line up here. Push it down, open, you got this other side that's already done. So now we got it like this. Now we got like a boat shape kind of thing. Fold the right and lower left points downwards. So we're going to take these and fold them downwards. Now we got them down like that. Now to make the frog's back legs, fold the points diagonally outwards. So we got the 2 points we just fold them diagonally, going outwards. I'm going to stand up again so I can push down really hard, and do the same on the other side. There. We got the back legs. And then we're going to fold these top sections diagonally outwards. These will be the front legs. Maybe a little more even. There. Now we're going to take it and fold the bottom of the frog up along the center. Just like that. Push it nice and hard. Fold the edge back down, creating a pleat. This will be the frog spring. So you're going to fold the edge back down, creating a pleat. Okay. That'll be the frog spring. Now, there we go. We got our little froggy. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.